Hey everybody, wanted to do an unboxing video for you today. I got in the mail a new toy. It's a new digital video camera. It's a Canon HF R800. Picture of it here. Just got in the mail today. This is more along the lines of one of those budget, on the lower end cameras. I think I paid about maybe $230 after taxes. I ordered it through Best Buy, got here in about 2 days. Amazon had it for basically the same price, and even with Prime membership was going to get it to me a day later, so I ended up going with Best Buy on this one. So anyway, this is it here. Looking forward to using it to make more videos, so I'm not using my cell phone here, something a little better. So let's go ahead and get to opening this here. It is a 1080p or full HD camera. It uses a flash or hard drive for storage of the camera video, as well as a memory card that you can add as well. So when you open it, warranty card, manual, pretty thick, but I think most of it is in, all the other ones are in different languages here. Alright, so let's take a look in here. What we got? Open this guy up here. Okay. Put this down and see if I can get some more light in here. So this is the camera itself, it looks like. Wrapped. Alright, it's fairly lightweight, no battery in it, I don't suppose, right now. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. Got the like a charging cord. Flip that guy out there. Charge the battery right on the camera. Looks like this is a mini USB to USB plug for data transfer. Got a, looks like a mini HDMI to, what is this, HDMI full size cord there. Then this looks like it's the battery. Take this out here. Yep, that's the battery. I'm trying to see if I can tell what the milliamp rating is on the battery here. I don't know if you can see it or not. Try focusing that a little better. There we go. So, but that's what comes in the box. Again, just quick and easy. Let me see if there's anything else in here. Pull this out. Nope, that should be it. Anyway, so this is the camera itself. Like I said, looking forward to using it. It's got good. I ended up going with this because it has generally good reviews, and it was rated by different reviewing websites as a great all-around camera, particularly for entry-level or beginners. So hopefully this video was interesting and informative, at least if you were thinking about getting this particular camera or looking at a DV camera, to see what may be coming in if you order this particular model. Alright guys, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.